Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to send videos on Discord mobile. So I will show the step-by-step process. So if you want to share any videos on Discord mobile, keep watching the video till the end. So first of all, you have to go to your device and select the video you want to share or you want to send on Discord mobile. Suppose I want to share this video. After opening the video, I have to click on this icon. Then from here you will get the different apps where you can share or you can send the video. So if you check all apps, then you will get the Discord apps option. So from here you have to click on Discord apps. Then this video will appear in this way. From here you have to select a channel. This is the compulsory, and add a comment is optional. Suppose you want to send the video on your Discord mobile server, so I'm selecting my server. Here this server has added. Then if you wish, you can add any comments. You can add your comment as well. After that, if you click on the send option or share option at the top right corner, then this video will send to the Discord mobile server. So I'm clicking the send option, share option. Then it will take time to load according to video size. Then this video will share your desired server. So in this way you can share or you can send any videos on Discord mobile. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.